2/3 charged. 2/3 charged. Cardboard. Let's get rid of the bag. Alright, fairly compact. Only comes with one belt clip. There are bosses on both sides of both tools. So pick one, install. I don't think there are others. No, just one. That's weird. Okay. So these battery chargers aren't the kind you slot in like that. You actually put them on like that. And they just sit. Got that brushless sound. So a lot of drivers are going with the lights around the head like this. Those are the best ones to get. This one's got the light coming up. It's better than nothing. You have speed settings on this one. And that is it. Feels good. Alright, we have 2 speeds on this. Yeah. Again, the light is down here. That's typical on a drill, either there or here. All right, let's try them out. Push to lock. Ejects. It's good. Here, let me. Yeah, so it drove it until it started stripping out the wood. So we're good on that. Let's try a very dull 1/2 inch drill. Assuming this is 1/2 inch. Yeah. This is a very dull drill bit. Not faulting the drill itself, for sure. Let's try something. Let's try something. Easy.